So this tech tutorial is going to be a little bit longer. We're going to cover how to make a screencast video. Screencast videos are great for any time where you want students to be able to reference an explanation or a demonstration of something that you did on their own time. So you would not necessarily need to be present to re-explain directions or to re-demonstrate a concept or a skill. So to start, you're going to need two things. You're going to need a microphone. And a microphone for you should be your classroom microphone. That will work just fine. As soon as you try to do your first video, make sure that your classroom microphone is actually picking up for that video and just give it a test out. You also want to have a camera potentially to add live video of maybe your face talking. I'm not doing that in this video, but in this case, your document camera can work as a webcam. You just power up your document camera, and then that will work as the webcam. That's another thing to test out also. There's several different software applications out there that allow you to record what's on your screen and record the audio that you're narrating. The most user-friendly one to me, I think, is Screencast-O-Matic. Now, there's a couple different ways to get to it. One is to search Google for Screencast-O-Matic, go to the website, and then you can actually run the program through the website. So what you do is you hit Start Recorder, and you're going to have to go through a series of some on-screen prompts. Just if something pops up, read it carefully and try to click the best possible option. And if what you clicked didn't work, then refresh the page and try again and try a different option. You can also do this through Canvas. You can enable this as a feature in your Canvas course. So for example, in this course here, Accelerated Digital Literacy, if I go to Settings, and then I go to Navigation, one of my options in any course now is to have Screencast-O-Matic be a navigation option. And what this does is it allows students to use Screencast-O-Matic so they themselves could be making tutorial videos or explainer videos or demonstrating what they're able to do and using that as an assignment, kind of however you want to leverage this tool. So if I do that and enable it and then save it, now Screencast-O-Matic is enabled. And if I click it, what it will do is it will bring up a little window here. And if I hit New Recording, what that'll do is launch a Screencast-O-Matic recording window. And I'm actually going to bring it over here into my window that I'm recording on, open to my other desktop. And what you have is a record. Now you can click Screen, which is just the screen. If you click Webcam and you powered up your document camera, all it would be doing is recording whatever your document camera is capturing, but it would have nothing to do with your screen. And then both is going to create a little box down in the corner. And if you do that, the little box will be down here, and that will have the content of your webcam, which you could resize that box, and then the rest of it is your screen. Best practice, generally speaking, is to record just what's on your screen if that's the emphasis of the presentation. But if the emphasis is on what's on your webcam, or it's really important you feel that you have a human face talking, by all means go for it. But research has shown that if there is a human face, people's eyes tend to gravitate towards the human face as opposed to whatever you're demonstrating on the screen. So then you can test the narration right here. You can see that my document or my classroom microphone is picking up the narration. I can choose whether or not I want the audio from the computer to be part of it. Say if I'm playing a video as part of the demonstration and I want to have that audio as part of it, then I could choose that. And what I'll do is I'll hit record. Gives me a little countdown. And now I'm actually recording. You'll notice there's a little ticker down here in the bottom, and we're recording this. And when I'm done, I can pause. Now if I made a mistake, I can navigate back to the place where I made a mistake. I can preview my video. When I'm done, I can pause. And then say it was back here. When I'm done, there's my mistake. What I can do here is continue recording at the seeked position. I can now continue recording at that spot. So if I hit yes, and then I truncate, so I'm basically deleting all this part where I messed up. Gives me my countdown again. And we keep going. So I keep recording, and now I pause. And when I'm done, I can hit done. And what that brings up is a preview window, and then I can give it a title, and then I'll hit upload. Now in this case, my only option is to upload it into my Canvas course. I could download it later, but it does become part of my Canvas course. If I'm going through Screencast-O-Matic and I hit Start Recorder, it'll then bring up a recording. Let's see. I now have another recorder, and on that recorder, if I record, again, I'm going from Screencast-O-Matic here, not from Canvas. The Screencast-O-Matic version, when I hit Stop and then Done, I then have the option to save as a video file, which may be a better option if you want to have some flexibility in terms of how you save it. So then I could click Save as a Video File, choose the folder it goes to, choose the file name, and then publish it. And then if I want to, I could go embed that content or upload that content to anywhere that I see fit. However, if your intent is just to keep your stuff on Canvas, this might be the best way to go about it. All right, there you have it.